Slušajte сега и двајцата. Ти, чорбаđo, дај му ја кесата и човеков нека се оди дома.
What were you bombing?
No bombing, we were taking pictures, photographs.
Photographs of what? Of what? Lucas coming back here again, killing everyone.